time for a plant-based lunch prepared by the beautiful Claudia herself. Check this out. Wow. Looks good. And views for days. Dirty ass windows. There's an ocean out there, I swear. It's out there. It's so windy. We're about to get blown off the cliff right now. It's so windy. Go, 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 go. Ah! Woo! Morning everybody, it's Saturday here in Monterey, California. Had a beautiful place to park for the night. Just did breakfast. Now about to meet up with an FLX rider, hear his story, and hopefully have some fun. We were hoping for some sun today. He was coming out earlier and now it's just misty, foggy, and I don't know, hope it doesn't rain. We gotta get some sun, charge that man up. You guys ready to try out the Rampage? Yeah. Parking lot's a bit wet, so we're on the bike trail.
Whoa, 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 that's so cool.
First thoughts.
Very cool. 10 out of 10. Yeah. 10 out of 10.
That was level 1, by the way. There's 3 levels.
What happens on the other levels?
Yeah,
Does it get faster?
One's like 14 miles an hour, and then 3 will get to like 24 on these wheels.
I just want to see how. Oh my god.
Get that helmet on. See, that's like a bicycle riding experience, like a normal, like a real bike. That's really sweet. Oh man, you got some slicks on here. So back behind me, I've got a piece of history here. Marc's Roadster Generation 1 bike, the very first bike we launched with on Indiegogo in 2016. Really cool. You see the integrated battery. You got the mid motor here, Capelli mid motor. He's pimped it out with a rack. He's got the pannier bags. Check this out. Marc did this himself. It was not standard on the bike. That's so loud. This is our new bike, the Babymaker. So quite a big difference you see in terms of styling and everything. Function. This is your kind of street killer. This is a lightweight road bike. Marc, what'd you think of the Babymaker?
Great bike. It makes me feel like I'm fit, but it looks like a real bike. You know, it's not yeah. You know, it's you got to work a bit. You know, but it helps you out. It's going to be a great commuter bike. That's what I think.
Now that you're getting the hang of the Rampage, how's it feel?
Really cool. It's so like smooth going over bumps. Especially just all like the grates in this parking lot, you just don't even feel it. And then when you get up to like a good speed and you're going faster, carving and turning, you can do it so tight and it's so much fun. Thank you. If I had one of those, I would just like never like ride a car. Like I would just I would never get my license. No, you wouldn't have
You know what to put on your Christmas list.
Yeah. How does it work?
So there's 5 levels of pedal assist. I'll just start you off on 5 because I think you can handle it.
5?
Yeah.
There you go.
Alright, bikes and boards. What do you like better?
Boards.
Millennials. So Mark had to hit the road, but look at this. Sun is out again. Let's go have some fun. We haven't charged these bikes since our 3-hour bike ride yesterday. I don't think we charged it, so let's see how the batteries do. So I decided to lose the sweatshirt in the 30 seconds that the sun was out. It's gone now. I'm regretting that already. We're about 100 feet from the car.
Cold.
We're not turning back, and you're cold. Oh no. Beautiful day to ride a bike. Oh man. You guys gotta come out here. This is Monterey Bay, I think near the aquarium. Wow, look at the line to get in the aquarium. So we parked right here last night. Look at this parking spot. This view, oh man. Some events going on today. What's this about? Excuse me, what's this event about?
I'm sorry?
What is this event about?
It's to raise money for arthritis, the Arthritis Foundation. Yes.
Oh, I need that for my back. We're gonna go against this run, we'll see. So some people were telling us drone enforcement is really strict here and you're not allowed to fly drones and the cops are assholes, so had to pack it up before we get a fat ticket.
Show a titty, we would be good.
You'd show your titties to get out of it? Alright.
Yeah.
Every time I try that, it never works.
Yeah, well yours are ugly and hairy.
All the way out there, and out of nowhere got fucking taken out by a wave. So I have water all in my boots.
Look at those waves! Oh my god! That is a wave! Imagine surfing that! Almost got me too. So I got an app called Before You Fly. It's the FAA app that will tell you if you can fly or not. Because people were saying, cops, whatever. We're checking if it's safe to fly. Good to go. Look at this circle. This is where you can't fly, and this is where you can. Look at where we are. We're literally like 100 feet away from the do not fly zone. Basically from that tree this way, we can fly. Let's go. Saw some people running around with e-bikes on the boardwalk. And we figured we'd come see the e-bike rental store, see if we can get them on the Babymaker. What do you think? You think they'll try them out?
Let's check it out.
Are these all rentals?
Yeah.
Wow.
They don't even look electric. It's like, yeah.
Crazy, right? Oh, you gotta try it out for the vlog?
Yeah,
what do you think?
I'll try it out.
It's not too jumpy, it's pretty smooth.
I like it. All right, Josiah, thanks for trying out the bike. If you want to check him out, it's at...
Wait, let me check real quick. Check out my SoundCloud, Rivera.blue.
Rivera.blue. You make music?
There you go.
Yeah.
All right, take it easy, brother.
Take care, honey.
Not that bad at all. Pedaling with no power, just like a normal bike. Cruising about 20. I think Claudia's about to run out as well. All right, Claudia, rate today's ride. 1 out of 10 in Monterey.
12.
So beautiful. You guys gotta come here, Monterey, California. Check it out. You gotta hit the road or what? What's going on? What are you looking at? There's something in my teeth. Time to get some fitness on. Lightweight, baby. Let's get it. That's it for today's vlog. Huge thanks to the girls for coming out. If you want to check them out on Instagram,
At Chloe.Patawi. At Mia Dostal. At Jenna Harris.
Baby quads.
and if you like this video, be sure to
Like, comment,
Subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell.
We'll see you next one, guys. Was the one that like really pushed me to ride a bike. She helped me get my training wheels off, and like literally first time pedaling a bike with no training wheels.
Really?
She's like, oh, you're doing great. Now I ride it with no hands. I'm like, I don't think I can do that. She's like, it's easy, just take your hands off. And the bike rides up, and I take my hands off, wheel turns, boom, I land straight on my face. Like
Thanks, Aunt
immediately. I was like, oh,
You're lucky
got the wind knocked out of me. Thank you, Annie Gail.